Customer complains of a no start, no crank, no start condition on their vehicle. They had it towed into me this morning. Tried charging the batteries. That didn't work. We're going through a multi-point diagnostic. We're checking everything we can. Let's check this. Open this hood to see what we can find in here. Man, I'm not sure about this one. This is a tough one, to diagnose this one. This is a tough one. All I know, this is going to be an expensive repair, but what could it possibly be?